Welcome to Trussville, Alabama, one of Birmingham's hottest metro areas. We've got a rare opportunity of one-level living right here, a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Come take a look with me. As you enter the home, you'll notice it's a great space for entertaining. Right here at the front of the house, you've got a sitting area that you can relax, hang out with friends, and then come take a look at this other room. And this could be an office with privacy, or you can have a dining room table in here to have another area to hang out. Come see the kitchen with me. As you enter this kitchen, you're going to notice there's 13-foot ceilings. It is open and spacious. You could put a big island here in the middle. It opens into the lighted living room here where you can have entertaining parties and hang out with your friends. Come see the primary bedroom with me. You'll notice there's tall ceilings in here, beautiful crown molding. You've got windows that view right out into that beautiful, peaceful backyard. And come in and see the ensuite. You've got double vanity, you've got a garden tub, a walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet. Notice all the upgrades in this home. You've got the wood floors throughout, brand new windows. You've got the 13-foot ceilings that go from the kitchen all the way into the living room. Check out the natural light here. And then you go right out onto the back patio. On this side of the home, we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. This bedroom has a window that goes right out into that beautiful backyard, has a large oversized walk-in closet. So on this side of the home, we've got 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath. The other bedroom is on the front corner of the home, and it also has a large walk-in closet as well. You've got a garden right outside of your home, fresh tomatoes, beautiful flowers. Come see the backyard with me. What's great about this backyard is after a long day, you can come out here and unwind. It's so peaceful, viewing out into the woods where you've got bird feeders, and then you flow right over here to the back porch where you can just sit and relax and enjoy the nature for the evening. Thanks for watching and viewing this rare opportunity of a one-level home here in Trussville, Alabama. Please reach out to us if you have more questions or if you want to go on a tour in person.